Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video I'm going to talk about how do I chop, slice or trim off the last character in a string using JavaScript. There are the two ways of doing so. In the first one we're going to use the substring method, and in the second one we're going to use the slice method. Okay, so let's just do it. So I'm going to declare a variable str hello, and I will simply trim the last character of my string. So how can I do that? First of all, we're going to do it with the help of substring. So I'm going to write str and reassign the value str.substring. In the substring we'll start 0 and its length would be str length -1. So console log this. Okay, let's just run this, and there is a typo mistake. Run it again. Alright, so I have again done a typo mistake. It's str. So let's run it again, and now we have the hell instead of the hello. Okay, so this is how you can chop, slice or trim off the last character using the substring method. So now we're gonna talk about the slice method. So in the slice method I'm gonna use the same variable. So let's just comment out this. So I'm gonna use str is equal to str.slice, and in the slice you're gonna write the 0 from where you want to start out your array or the string, because here the slice method is treating the string as an array. Alright, so I'm gonna write to -1, which simply means to the last element. So it will simply remove the last element. So I'm gonna console log this again. I think we are good. So let's just clear this and run it again. So we have the hell instead of the hello. Okay, so this is how we can chop, slice, trim off the last character in a string using the JavaScript. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.